Hi everyone, I am Hai Mingxie, the General Manager of JIANLIAN HOMECARE Products Company. Our company is located in Sibian Industrial, Dali, Nanhai District, Foshan City, which was founded in 1993 and covers an area of 9,000 square meters. Our company focuses on wheelchair, bath chairs, commodities, walkers, electors, crutches, and the other series of rehabilitation aid and aging equipment manufacturing. Now, let me show you the factory. This is our aluminum extrusion workshop. We own a large aluminum extrusion equipment so that we can control the pipe quality by ourselves. This is the main material of our products. Here is our rough workshop with over 50 sets of automatic machines, including cutting machine, punching equipment, automatic pipe bending machine, vending machine, robotic vending machine, and etc. This is our assembly workshop 1 with 3 professional assembly lines. This is our wheelchair assembly workshop with 2 professional assembly lines and sufficient raw material supply all the year round. The daily and annual output can reach 6,000 and 2 million units. We independently operate the brand JIANLIAN from online e-commerce platforms and offline entities. Our products are well acknowledged in the whole country and exported to Southeast Asia, Europe, and the United States. Our company has a professional R&D team which can make mold and support OEM and ODM orders. Teams of professional quality inspectors is available for each procedure checking. Besides, different quality inspection equipment is used for implementing the quality inspection guideline for material and the final products. The products can only leave the factory after meeting all the quality requirements. Our factory has a standardized warehouse with an area of 2,000 square meters and a capacity of 180,000 units. It adopts an efficient and accurate ERP system. Also, we cooperate with different couriers to ensure the delivery of products. Our staffs conduct training in the fields of production every year. The priority of the company is integrity, quality, and innovation. We sincerely look forward to cooperating with you